AM's new automatic film cutter is a truly remarkable machine. So today I'm going to take you through the menu settings that this machine has to offer. After the introduction video, you will be brought to your home page, which will consist of the four options: your language settings, your product options, a hard reset, and Wi-Fi. Now, the first thing we need to do is ensure that our Wi-Fi is always connected. Our machine will pick up any available Wi-Fi networks and make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Should you not find it, you can always refresh, and once you're connected and satisfied, just press the back button. Now, we can quickly go to our products, and everything will be updated once you've filled in your account, your password, and what version you're with. From AM, you will be getting your account name and the password that needs to be used, as well as a serial number in order to make sure that you are connected. From there, you can clean the data, register for those of you buying the machine for the first time, and log in for those who have already got all these details from us. Once you've logged in, you can see all your different options, starting with your mobile, tablet, watch, and custom options. You can also go to your home from here. You can go to your settings, which allows you to customize your speed, LED control, your return distance, your reflection, reset, test your workpiece, and go to your next page. From here, we can rotate it, have your Y mirror, sort, X mirror, 180 degrees center cut out, your P-PAM, angle handle, and close handle. Now these are all custom settings that you really should do with one of AM's technicians. Once everything is done, press OK or go back. Now you can go to your account settings. From here you can see exactly what you've done, your product history, and what you can do with your current account version. Now let's go home. From our mobile option, you can see all our hot brands. This includes your things like Apple, Huawei, Samsung, and many, many more. You can also sort them by alphabetical order, which will give you any brand that is not listed in the hot picks, from BlackBerry to Hisense to many, many others that we haven't even experienced yet. From here, we've got a search button. This allows us to put in what we're looking for. So, we have an iPhone. You just type in iPhone. You type in iPhone and what model it is by simply clicking there and adding it. When you're done, put in search. This will give you all the options there are for the iPhone 13, from the Mini to the Pro Max. Once you're in and you've selected the phone that you've got your front film covers. This comes with many different options and many different cutout ideas. From there, you can go to your back film, and from your back film, you can print out your own customized back cover for your phone. You've got many different options and ways that you can print it, including one for your camera. We also have an explosion-proof film. Now, the only variant between the explosion-proof and the front film is the fact that this uses a harder film to cut out with. So, it will be a thicker film that needs to have more force in order to cut out. From there, we also have the full screen edging. Now, this is not something we're going to use every day or every time. This little feature allows you to cut out a film in order to protect around your charger. Now that we've seen everything that can be cut for your phone, let's have a look at what other options there are for ourselves. If we look at our home page, we can see that there are tablet options, and again for many different makes. So all we need to do is we select the brand that we have and select the one that we've got. Now I know there are a lot of options, however, please make sure that the size of the screen you are cutting is the size that can be cut. And as we did with the phones, we've got the same. Our front film, back film, explosive film. Now you'll see that over here we have a blank. As this one, our standard front films already fill that role. And we've got a full screen edge film. Now you'll see the difference between our tablet and our phone options is that over here we have a full screen edge film. This means that the entirety of the tablet will be covered. Now let's have a look at the watches. Our watches have the exact same options as every other one. And here you can see you've got your Garmin, your Fitbit, and your Apple. Again, with many more. Choose your series. We have the same options as with the tablet and the phone. Our back film, however, we do not have. Explosion proof film, again, we do not have. And the full scale edging we don't have. This is because our front films are perfectly cut to make sure that you get the best protection, first hand and foremost, on your watch. And now, under our custom settings, we just have the rectangle, the circle, and the rounded rectangle. These are great for leftover pieces that you have to just cut out a few small things in order to test on. And there you have it. Everything AM's new film cutting machine can do for you. For more information, contact us now on 060 600 6000.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.